Good morning, children. Today is Monday. Please repeat after me. Today is Monday. Children, from today onwards, we will also learn the date. Okay? So, today's date is 13 July 2020. Again repeat after me. 13 July 2020. Okay? So daily you should practice. Phonic song of letter P. P. Popcorn is popping. Popcorn is popping, pa pa pa. Popcorn is popping, pa pa pa. Popcorn is popping, pa pa pa. Pa is the sound of P. Once again, popcorn is popping, pa pa pa. Popcorn is popping, pa pa pa. Popcorn is popping, pa pa pa. Pa is the sound of P. Please revise the phonic song from letter A to letter P. Today, new rhyme. Out in the garden. Out in the garden each fine day. With my ball I like to play. I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day. With my kite I like to play. I fly my kite, I fly my kite, I fly my kite on each fine day. Children, please tell your mother or father to write the poem in a book and practice it daily. Okay? Next, take your general awareness book, book number 4. Please open page number 20. Yes, page number 20. Children, in this class we will learn how to stay healthy. To stay healthy, you should eat fresh fruits and vegetables. You should avoid eating cakes, chips, ice creams, pizzas and burgers. You should drink milk, fresh water. Okay? Avoid drinking cold drinks, ice crusher juices from outside. To stay healthy, you need to take fresh food. So, you should eat only healthy food, no junk food if you want to stay healthy. Okay? Next, take your literacy skills book, book number 1. Please open page number 7. This is Alpha Talk. Again, revise letter with phonic sound and the object. You can also try to recollect more objects with the same letter. Okay? Practice again page number 7 and 8 also. Children, this is new book. Today we will be starting this book. Okay? My third practice workbook. In this book, please open page number 9. Page number 9. You have to write small letters A to Z and please turn the page to page number 10. You have to write capital letters A to Z. Don't worry if you don't have this third practice book. Kindly collect it from school. Okay. Meanwhile, you can write in notebook also. Next, take your second book of phonics, book number 2. Please open page number 8. You will learn today vowel O words. Okay. Now please tell me, what is the phonic sound of letter O? Very good. O. O. Very good. What is this letter? B. What is the phonic sound? B. Now together blend it. O. B. Ob. Okay. O. B. Ob. Now read the words. B. O. B. Bob. K. O. B. Cob. H. O. B. Hob. J. O. B. Job. M. O. B. Mob. R. O. B. Rob. S. O. B. Sob. Now next. O. D. Odd. O. D. Odd. K. O. D. Cod. N. O. D. Nod. P. O. D. Pod. R. O. D. Rod. S. O. D. Sod. Now tell me, what is this? O. Very good. G. G. Very good. O. G. Og. O. G. Og. B. O. G. Bog. K. O. G. Cog. D. O. G. Dog. F. O. G. Fog. H. O. G. Hog. J. O. G. Jog. L. O. G. Log. Children, please practice these 3 sets of words. Okay? Children, next take your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Please open page number 20. Page number 20. This is your classwork. The concept is big, bigger, biggest. The concept is big, bigger, biggest. Here you can see 3 circles. Now this is big, big circle. This is bigger circle. This is biggest circle. This is comparison of sizes. The circles are of different sizes. Okay. Now your activity is color the big elephant pink. See, big means the first number 1. Okay. Please number it for your easy work. 1. Okay. The small one is big. You color it in pink color. Now next, bigger. Bigger elephant, blue color. The biggest elephant, red color. Okay. After that, you can see bears. Yes. There are 3 bears, but they are of different sizes. So this is big, bigger, biggest. Please repeat. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay. Now color the big bear pink. Okay. This big bear in pink color. I colored it. The bigger bear blue. Bigger bear blue. Okay. The biggest bear, the bear which is biggest of all is this one. Okay. So this one in red color. So the concept is, repeat after me again. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay. Next, take your third practice workbook. In this, open page number 63. Page number 63. This is your homework. Circle the biggest fruit. In this, you have to circle the biggest fruit. Okay. This is apple, orange and mango. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. So you please circle the biggest fruit. After completing that, coming down, please trace and write the words. B-I-G, big. B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. Whenever you are writing, please repeat and write. Okay. Next, take your third book of stories, book number 7. Please open page number 14. Page number 14, fun time. Help the elephant reach the pond. Okay, you have to help the elephant to reach the pond. Okay, so this is how you should do. Please start here. I have already done, but for your reference, again I am doing it here. Okay. So, the elephant has reached the pond. Yay! I did it. You also show the path to elephant to reach the pond. I hope you had fun time. Children, from today onwards, you will start learning Hindi. Okay. So, the first letter is A. Please repeat after me. A. You have to write like this. Okay. A. A se anar. Repeat. A se anar. A se ajgar. A से अमरूद. अ से अदरक. Okay, please practice this first letter. You have to write it in a broad rule book. Please take broad rule book like this. Okay, and write A. How you will write? You have to touch the upper line, sleeping line, standing line, up, sleeping line. For your practice, you can learn with patterns. Okay, right curve, come back, right curve, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, right curve, right curve, sleeping line, standing line, up, sleeping line. please write full page. Okay, you will write full page. Practice writing A. Okay. Bye children. Bye for today. Take care.